Hi everybody, I recently showed my stamping tool, my Stamp Perfect stamping tool. I compared it with the Misty, and a lot of people didn't like the way this squeaks. They said they wouldn't like that. My Misty used to squeak also, but after regular use it stopped squeaking. But I want to show you how to de-squeak this. It's really no big deal. It's just because of the plastic. And I have some paper towels, and I'm going to put that on the bottom with my lid open, and then I'm going to place this other paper towel by the hinge. And then I think I'm going to cover this hinge up too. Or not the hinge, but the cover. So I'm just going to lay that there, and you have to use a non-petroleum based lubricant. So if you have PAM would work. And I'm also going to show you another way with sewing machine oil. But I figured this would be the item that people mostly have. And you could use KY jelly too. Some people might have that. But I just have my PAM here. And this is, I'm just going to spray the hinges right here. You know, you don't have to go crazy. I'm just going to rub it in. I'm just trying not to get it on the lid and stuff, but you can see it work. You can actually see it bubbling into the hinge, which is good. And now for this one, I am actually going to use the sewing machine oil, and I have this because I have sewing machines, lots of them. So this has a long spout, and then I'm just going to give it a squeeze. It'll take a little bit to get the air out of the tube. And I'm just going to give it a couple drops. That's 3 drops. And it'll work into the hinge. I'll open and close it a few times. See, it's already, the squeak is already getting less. And this third one, we'll do the PAM again. Anyway, here I go. I'm just going to spray it in here. Just so it gets in there. And like I said, use a non-petroleum based lubricant. And that should do it. Just a little bit, and that's probably on this side. You just have to work it in there a little bit. There. Hardly any squeak now. And you can tell which one. It's the middle one that's squeaking the most. So let's see if we can't get in there. I'll get on the back side here. Oh, we'll just use the PAM, because that's mostly what people have. Get right in there. But that'll de-squeak your stamping tool if you don't like the squeaky. There. Perfect. Not one squeak. So it looks like it's best to do it on this side and then also on the back side. That's it. No squeak. Squeak's all gone. So thanks for watching. Bye.